This is a big lemon. Yeah, I'm going to be rolling it on the table so that the juice, it will be soft. Can be able to extract much juice from it. So this mayonnaise that we are doing is just a DIY and it tastes very good. It's better than the store-bought ones. So right now I'm extracting the juice from the lemon. Yeah, don't worry, I will remove the seed later. I will sieve it. Remove the seeds later. So okay, these are the ingredients you need for the mayonnaise. Yes, so this one is lemon juice extracted. So how we did it: vegetable oil, salt, and 2 eggs. Yeah, I'm going to be using the whole eggs because some prefer to use egg white or egg yolk. I don't know, but me, I prefer the whole eggs. So I'm gonna breaking it and be putting it in the blender. So that is it. This is not difficult to do, and given the price of mayonnaise in the market, it choke. Yeah, and then a spoon of lemon juice, pinch of salt, and cover it to blend. Yeah, it's blending now. Okay, I'm adding a vegetable oil to it. You know, this whole recipe I'm using only 1 cup of vegetable oil, but I'll be adding it bit by bit. So you know, I added the other time. This is the second time I'm adding it. So, and it's blending. So that's it. When you add small, you blend. I think it's the oil that is going to bind it. So I've added another oil to it. So I had to check what I'm blending. It's coming together small, but I've not gotten the consistency I wanted. So I'm adding another spoon of lemon juice. You know, lemon juice is sour, so I think I'm adding the remaining oil in the cup so that I'll blend it together. So depends on how sour you want it. That is how much lemon juice you add to it. So I think I've gotten the consistency that I want. See, let me show you guys. See, oh my god, this is so good. It tasted so nice. Hey god, yeah, that is it. Wow, this is so amazing. Please try it out and tell me how you got your own. This is so wonderful. The taste is top notch. You need to try this. Believe me, you need to try this. And if you try it, you're gonna keep trying it.